Good day, welcome back to my neck of the woods. I'm going to do a unboxing plus a small review at the end of a new product that I have here. It is the STX International Magnum electric meat grinder. This is the 1800 watt. My prior one that I had was made by Lem, and that was 575 watts, and that did a pretty good job. But I'm going to unbox this one, and then I'll do a little review of me using it. Alright? Here we go. Just came from Amazon today. The retail, I think retail was, I think the MSRP, it ranged anywhere from 140 something to 180. I got this one for $158, and I think the shipping was free on it. On the box, inside of the box, at Christmas time. So, with the manual, right here, that's what it looks like. Right on top, we got there's two plates here, looks like, and then 3 plates there, 2 cutting wheels. And I think this is, I'm not sure what it is. Maybe some sort of sausage stuffing plate. This. I've got a cylinder right here. One thing I like about this, everything I believe is stainless. And my other one was aluminum, and the gears inside were plastic. Here's the plunger. I think that's another sausage tube. We have, I believe they're like combs or rakes. I'll take a time to look at them. This is a patty. I think it's made to make patties and sliders. We have our tray. And the machine itself. Everything seems sturdy. So we got that out of here. Alright, let's take a look at everything here. Yeah, so this is definitely much more heavy duty than what I have. I mean, it's got some good weight to it. I don't know what the weight is. Cord. Trying to make this fast. I don't want the video to be too long. Now, there are these pieces here. And what I understand that these are, this all comes with it. This wasn't like an extra package or anything. I believe these are rakes for, like, you rake out like pulled pork or pulling meat apart or tenderizing. Looks like Wolverine. Oh, Wolverine. Yeah, that's what they're for. So all this comes for $158. We have our plunger here. Okay. And we have our tray. So it comes with a ton of plates. My other Lem one was, they're heavily oiled too. So this plate, that's for the really fine stuff. But that's for sausage. This one's for a wider. So it looks like it comes with 5 plates. There's this one. And this one. You can tell that they're real heavy duty. They're really thick. That rakes. We have, excuse me, two blades. I think they're identical. They're identical blades, so it's just a backup blade. This one and this one. Also very heavy duty, very sturdy. This comes with it. I think this is a, it's for making sliders. Yeah, so you just put your ground down in there, squish it in. Oh, look, it even comes with a smaller one. You make smaller little sliders. I think it's for patties and sliders. You have patties there, and then you have sliders on top. It comes with some wax papers. That's good. This is plastic, but it's high-grade plastic. It's pretty sturdy. I'm not sure what this is. I bet you it's obviously it's another plate, but I think it's for sausage. And then this is another. This looks like a sausage tube to me. Both of them. There's multiple ones here where you would put this through for your sausage, or however big the size of your casing is. There's that's the main plate there, and then 3 different sizes for how big your casing is, and they all just store within each other. And I bet they all store. I bet this comes off. Yeah, I bet they all store right in here. Put them right in there. Yep. Probably store that in there. I'll probably store these in there. Yep. And then that. My other one did that. There's the cylinder. Look, there's more plates than this too. You really get a lot of bang for your buck. So this comes with another plate. I don't know if that's identical to any of these. No, so the other 2 circular ones are this one. That one's a little bit bigger, and then the one that was inside was this one. I stick to the smaller ones myself. And the auger. Auger's pretty heavy duty. It's nice and heavy. It's got some weight to it. It has a the end piece is steel, and it's not plastic. And then another blade, which is the identical blade. Not bad. Let me assemble it here, and I'll give you a full view. So let me just turn it here. This plate. It's got the little notch that shows you where the plate goes. That one's dissolved the grinder. I know you don't put them in the dishwasher because it ruins the finish on this. You hand wash them, and don't let them dry. You always hand dry them. So let me see if I can assemble everything here. Sure that there is a. So there's a button on here. That's your release. Put it on this way. You click it in and you undo the button. There we go. Good. Seems like it's pretty good shape. It's heavy though. It's got some girth to it. It's really not much. bigger than the one that I have had, but it's definitely got some more girth to it. Alright, what I'll do is I'm going to use it, and I'll give you a brief rundown of me using it, and we can see it in action. Alright? Great. Alright, I got her all set up right here, and I turned her on for a minute. She's much louder than the original 575 watt that I had. Much louder, much more powerful. I put the smallest of the larger O plates on there. The next one after that is this, and that seems like really, really fine. So I'm going to try this one. I'm going to put my ground through there, and just to give you a little tip, if your ground still, I freeze it and then let it thaw so you can just pull it apart. You know, just really pull it apart like that. It'll give you a better grind. Same thing with your pork. I got my ground paired with some pork fat in there. I usually just eyeball it and go from there. So this is a little frozen. My other one used to bog a little bit with the frozen, and we're going to see if this one bogs up. This has you can't do bone in this, so if you're wondering if you want to do bone, this is not the machine for you. Alright, so this is my first time using it. Hopefully it doesn't explode. There we go. It's much louder. Oopsie, I hit the wrong button. Oh, I'll turn it on. Alright, so give you an idea, that just blew right through it. I mean, there was no problems whatsoever. It obviously has much more power than my last machine, and as long as it keeps up, I'm 100% happy with it. My last one, I had a LEM. It was the smallest one you can buy. It was 575 watts. Like I said, this one's 1800, and I had that one for 5 years, and I ended up selling it to a friend for real short money. And but it would get really, really hot if I did an entire deer. So that's my little review, and I'm happy with it. And maybe after having it for a year or so, I'll do another review and let people know what it's like. Alright? Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and make some comments. Let me know what you think. Be well.